Hi everyone, George here at Active Online Workouts. I'm about to start a brand new fitness challenge with all of the members of my online exercise program, and for the first time ever I'm going to allow all of you, all of my followers, to get involved in the challenge as well. The challenge is we're going to do a 10 to 15 minute ab workout every day for 2 weeks, and the aim is to try and get stronger, leaner and more defined abs. So if you want to get involved in the challenge, all you have to do is turn on post notifications for myself so that you can see the ab workout of the day as I post it, and it will come straight to your feed. Just take a quick time-lapse video of while you're completing the workout and then post it to your story, tagging me in it so I can see, and I'll repost it as well. Get involved in the challenge, everybody. See what a difference you can make in 2 weeks. All right, stay strong everybody and stay active. So if you're not already, click the link in the description so that you can follow my social accounts, Facebook and Instagram. And that's where we'll be running the challenge from. Get involved, follow the channel and subscribe as well.